For a lot of people, a great lawn is still a difficult proposition. Maintenance is time-consuming and the weather doesn't always cooperate when it comes to keeping that green sheen all year round. Artificial turf is the perfect solution to that problem. It's low maintenance and keeps its beautiful green sheen under all weather conditions. Laying out artificial turf is also a speedy proposition. An average lawn can be installed in less than a day. This short instructional video will give you tips and advice on how to get a perfect artificial lawn. How is artificial turf installed? First, remove the natural grass. You can rent a specialized machine for that. It removes the natural lawn horizontally while keeping the subsoil level and flat. You can, of course, use other appliances as long as the subsoil is not damaged. After the removal of the natural grass, a layer of about 1 centimeter of filling sand is applied. This fills in small irregularities, leaving the subsoil as level and stable as possible. Then a pressure distributing and weed-resistant geotextile canvas is applied on top of the layer of filling sand. This canvas supplies the stable work surface that is needed for the application of the artificial turf. Then it's time for measuring in the artificial turf. It's good practice to measure in a bit more than is absolutely necessary. A margin of about 10 centimeters in the circumference will do. Rolls of artificial turf are available in 2 widths, 2 meters and 4 meters. Roll out the artificial turf in the direction of the nap. Best results are achieved when looking into the roll while the artificial turf is being rolled out. Artificial turf can be applied seamlessly, but to do so requires some level of craftsmanship. It's important that the edges of the artificial turf are cut clean. This ensures a closer joint, resulting in a seamless lawn. After cutting the lawn down to size, it is wise to secure it with a couple of sandbags to prevent it from shifting during the bonding stage. Bonding can be achieved through adhesive tape or epoxy adhesive. It's good practice to mark out the lay of the adhesive tape on the geotextile canvas because the joints need to be right in the middle of the strips of adhesive tape. Now the rolls can be bonded. It's important to close the seams in a zipper-like fashion while making sure no blades of grass get caught underneath the seam. Then apply firm pressure to the seam. After applying the artificial turf, forms in the lawn, including beds and borders, can be easily cut out. When the lawn is cut to size, special bedding sand needs to be applied. The bedding sand serves a number of functions. It stabilizes and protects the subsoil, and it makes the artificial blades of grass stand up straight. It's of the utmost importance that the bedding sand is distributed evenly and in the direction of the nap. The entire lawn needs to be covered with a layer of bedding sand. For a garden such as this one, about 10 kilos per square meter is needed. After the layer of bedding sand is applied, it needs to be brushed in with a broom or brush. For a perfect end result, it is important that the sand ends up near the bottom of the artificial turf. When the right amount of sand is used and it is extensively brushed in, no sand will be visible on the surface, nor will it be able to creep up again. This makes walking on the lawn a pleasurable experience with zero chance of sand sticking to your bare feet. The end result is a gloriously green lawn, a perfect alternative to natural grass with the advantages of having a durable, low-maintenance lawn that has that green sheen all year round. Who wouldn't want a freshly cut lawn like that?